Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Meet the Georgia's new Lincoln Nautilus. Here's the check out the luxury midsize SUV segment with aviator look and a wild tech. The body is a minimalistic and has continental inspire, plus the handles in the window trim. The Nautilus side track has been extended into the front doors, and the front and the rear feature imposing light bar with a H2-pixel LED headlight. Wheels can be head up to 22 inch and under the skin is an adaptive suspension. The 2024 Nautilus rides on a heavily updated C2 platform which is front-wheel drive base and transfer engine. Through under the hood is a 2.0-liter turbo for making 250 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. Trigger and speed auto to all 4 wheels only. The hybrid option gets you 310 horsepower to come with a CVT. There likely will be an EV version too. The all-new Nautilus features a radical interior design the brand has brought over from their China's market. In addition to an 11.1-inch touchscreen, the Nautilus features a 48-inch widescreen dash display, with the left half being the driver display and the right half for other entertainment. Inside features a 5G connectivity, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and more. Inside also are 24-way seat and Lincoln Rejuvenate, a new program that uses interior perfume, ambient lighting, and more to suit the driver. Also featured is BlueCruise hands-free driving. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Lincoln Nautilus? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.